On number 8, we have Cha Yun-tik corruption scandal with the South Korean president in 2014. Cha Yun-tik, a K-pop music video director, was in a corruption scandal that included then South Korean President Park Geun-hye in 2016. Cha, there he was the 46-year-old, had worked with the Gangnam Style star and the band Big Bang, and the prosecutor alleged that he taped his connection to the President Park and confided to the Land Big contract to get the Land Big contract and blackmail others by showing the tapes of the president. Cha was charged with the abuse of power and embezzlement, and Park, who prosecutors described as a co-culprit, became the first sitting president to face the criminal charges. In 2017, Cha Yun-taek was found guilty to the charges and sentenced to the 3 years in a prison. On number 7, we have Super Junior's Kang assaulted his girlfriend. The Super Junior Kang allegedly assaulted his girlfriend. According to the news, the Kangin had allegedly assaulted his girlfriend while intoxicated. The report stated that the alleged incident took place on November 17, 2019 at 4:30 a.m. at a bar in Gangnam, and the police were reached there and contacted. It is also reported that the Kangin girlfriend does not want to press any charges against him for the assault. At the time of writing, the Super Junior label SJ have issued out a statement saying that it is looking into this report about Kangin alleged assault, and he was also going from the punishment. On number 6, we have JYJ Park Yoo-chun assaulted 4 girls. In 2016, the Park Yoo-chun was found himself the subject of a shocking rape allegation when a 4 women filed complaint against him, accusing him of sexually assaulting them in a bathroom setting. As the police was only able to ascertain that the activity did take place between them, is the forced activity or is a mutual activity. While the police continue with their investigation, the police failed to find any evidence against the Park, and as such, the Park Yoo-chun was declared the non-guilty, and it was reported that out of 4 charges brought against him, only 1 charges was real and other 3 charges was false made by the woman, and then the woman had to face the punishment, and the Park was declared as a non-guilty person and the women were declared as a guilty persons. After that, we have the Kang Hong assaulted 2 women of his office. On July 9, 2019, the Kang was arrested over allegation that he molested and assaulted 2 of his agency female employees at his home. The Kang stated that he remembered drinking with them but did not remember what happened afterward. The Kang agency has terminated his contract and thrown him out of the agency. July 15, 2019, the Kang admitted to all the charges against him and apologized to the victim. On August 18, 2020, the nude doubt were found by the South Korean media by the CCTV camera in a Kang house, and a call record of 2 female women become the new evidences. After that, we have K-pop star Seungri prostitution scandal. One of the K-pop shining star, the artist Seungri, has been the center of the series going scandal. Report emerged in early 2019 that he had been in a messaging group chat with the other K-pop star, including the Jung Joon Young, who shared the video of themselves engaging in a wrong act with a woman. The recordings were made without the woman's permission and without the woman's knowledge. Later that year, the Seoul Metropolitan Police launched an investigation against them, and then the Seungri prompted left his group Big Bang and he thrown out of his agency. And in January, the Seungri was going for the punishment, and this case is still going on. After that, we have the 2 women blackmailed the actor Lee Byung-hun. In 2014, report emerged that the 2 women, model Lee Ji-yoon and the K-pop artist Dahi of the band Glam, tried to blackmail the actor Lee Byung-hun for the equivalent of $4.2 million. Lee reported the incident to the police, claiming that the woman threatened to release a cell phone video of him drinking with them and making the false remark. Both women later admitted to the blackmail. Dahi said that she had taken the part in this for blackmailing because she was in a loan with her agency and she has no money. And the modern Lee said that she has been affairing with the actor and he rejected her, so she wanted to take the revenge from him. And then the Dahi became an unfortunate, and the actor was proven non-guilty and the 2 women was proven guilty, and they were sentenced for the 1 year and 2 months in a prison and given the punishment, and the actor was fully non-guilty. On number 1, we have the Kim Hyo-jong ex-girlfriend assault case. In August 2014, the Kim girlfriend, identified only by her surname Choi, filed assault charges against Kim, claiming that he repeatedly beat her, causing her bruises and broken ribs. Kim denied the charges, saying he had injured the Choi only once, and that it also by accidentally that occurred while he was practicing the martial art. Choi dropped some of the charges against the Kim in September after he apologized to her. But then also Kim was fined with the 5 million Korean won for injuring the Choi. While Kim claimed that he had no intention of hurting her, the damage from the attack was clear. This was later rescinded in 2016 when the Republic of Korea Army and the Civil Court acquitted of these charges and proved him to the non-guilty, and the woman, the ex-girlfriend, was guilty. But because of this, his career was fully affected, and because of this he had faced many physical and mental distress, and he is a non-guilty and his girlfriend is guilty.